Hi, this is Asian Zen Beauty. We specialize in providing mind, body, spirit healing to support you. The best time to meditate is right after waking up or before going to sleep. Practice consistently for 7 days, and you will feel inner peace and experience a transformation in your life. This is a high-energy meditation for meeting your true love, helping the partner you desire to come into your life as soon as possible. Find a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. If you have incense, candles, or essential oils, you can light them, letting the fragrance surround you. Then choose a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down. If you're sitting, make sure to keep your spine straight, open your shoulders, and adjust your breath. Slowly close your eyes. Only when our body and mind are completely relaxed can the door to our subconscious open. Let's start with 3 sets of deep breaths, deeply inhaling through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. With each breath, you are drawing fresh air into your body and expelling the stale air, gradually feeling your body become light and relaxed, like a baby, completely at ease. All right, now let's begin this beautiful journey to true love. At this moment, you find yourself in a field filled with green grass and sunlight, with beautiful flowers blooming all around. A gentle stream flows nearby, and the sunlight softly touches your face. It's so comfortable. Your feet are touching the soft grass. Your nose smells the delicate fragrance of the flowers, and your ears hear the sound of magpies chirping. You feel a clear, joyful, sweet energy flowing through your body. Your body and mind are becoming more intimately connected through this energy. Now, you feel even more relaxed, slowly letting go of your defenses, returning to your most pure and authentic self, the original, independent, complete, and hopeful version of you. This is the version you are willing to show your true love in this world. There are many, many people, but there is only one unique you. This uniqueness is the value of your existence. You must understand that no matter how beautiful or excellent you are, it cannot guarantee that others will always love you. But when you start being your true self, whether you're extraordinary or ordinary, whether your appearance and background are average or privileged, someone will be attracted to you, consistently, with steadfast and enduring joy. My dear, don't be afraid of whether others like the real you. Instead, unconditionally love and accept yourself. Seeing your uniqueness, your gifts, and your strengths. Recognize your own light. Now spread your arms wide and deeply embrace yourself. You feel the most pure love pouring toward you from all directions. Take a deep breath and inhale this wonderful love into your body, feeling its nourishment, and then slowly exhale. Leave space in your body and once again, absorb all this love, feeling yourself being fully wrapped in love. Your entire being is radiating with joy, happiness, and the sweet energy of love, flowing and expanding, nourishing every part of your body. Dear one, all love comes from loving yourself first. All external encounters begin with meeting yourself. When you become your own lover, the one who loves you will truly arrive. Deeply feel this energy of love. Stay in this pure love for a while, savoring this wonderful feeling. Be grateful for all the love that has come into your life. Grateful for your ability to love, and grateful for the ever-growing and strengthening energy of love. Be thankful that you have the power to bring the one you love into your life. When you are ready, take a deep breath. Gently move your fingers and slowly open your eyes, returning to the present moment. I wish you success in completing this powerful and special love-attracting meditation. Remember this beautiful feeling? Through fully loving yourself, you will meet someone who truly loves, understands, and cherishes you. I wish you all the best. I love you. During a difficult time, I found some videos that provided me with direction and calm. I hope this content brings you the same comfort and reminds you that you're not alone. For more, click the link in the comments below.